If you've been locked out of your Zelle account and need to reset your login credentials, follow these straightforward steps to regain access. Step 1. Open the Zelle app. Launch the Zelle app on your mobile device. Ensure you have a stable internet connection to proceed with the reset process. Step 2. Select Forgot Password. On the login screen, look for the Forgot Password link. Tap on it to initiate the password recovery process. Step 3. Enter your email or phone number. Input the email address or phone number associated with your Zelle account. This is necessary for Zelle to verify your identity and send you a reset link. Step 4. Check your email or SMS. Look for a reset link sent to your email or a verification code sent via SMS. Follow the instructions provided in the message to proceed with resetting your password. Step 5. Create a new password. Once you've accessed the reset link or entered the verification code, you will be prompted to create a new password. Choose a strong password that you haven't used before and confirm it to complete the process. After following these steps, you should be able to log back into your Zelle account with your new credentials. If you encounter any issues, consider reaching out to Zelle customer support for further assistance.